welcome to your physical education class. I'm your physical education teacher Vikrant. Okay, so I hope you all are good and fine at your places. So class, in this class video we continue our unit 5 children's and women in sports. Okay, so class, let's starting the class. Okay class, so basically in this class video I'm telling you the topic is first topic is exercise guidelines at different stage of growth and development. Okay, so this is the first topic we discuss about. Then second topic we discuss about the common postural deformities. Okay, so this is the second topic. Okay, so basically in common postural deformities we're talking about all these points. So first is spinal curvature, second flat foot, then third is knock knee, fourth bow legs, and the fifth one is round shoulder. So these all 5 points are common postural deformities. So I'm telling you the all exercise guidelines at the different stage of growth and development, and also I'm telling you the all common postural deformities, causes, treatment, and also the exercise and remedies for these common postural deformities. Okay class, so first we start this class for our topic number 1, exercise guidelines at different stage of growth and developments. Okay class, we start our first topic, exercise guidelines at different stage of growth and development. So in this topic basically we talking about all these points. So there is the all stage, and also we calling all age category for the growth and development. Okay, so we talking about all these related age group, how we are doing exercise for physical, mental growth and development. So there is a 5 top points are. So first is infancy. Okay, so infancy age group is 1 to 2 years. Then second is early childhood, his age group is 3 to 7 year. Then third is late childhood and also called a later childhood, his age group is 8 to 12 years. Okay, then fourth is adolescence. Adolescence is the age group is 3rd to 9 years. So basically adolescence means between childhood and adulthood, time period or uh, between in this period called a adolescence. Okay, then last I'm telling you the adulthood above the 90 years. Okay, so first we started our first point, infancy. Okay class, so in infancy age category is 1 to 2 years. So first after I started this point, I'm telling you the what is the benefit of exercise for growth and development stage for all kind of age groups. So basically we know exercise or physical activity has a potential to improve your physical and mental health, and also it's beneficial for our nations. Okay, so this reduce the maximum cost of mortality and improve life expectancies. Okay, and also it can save your money by significantly easing the burden of chronic disease, means they give you benefits to saving your money about the chronic disease. So exercise is important for us to remain active throughout our life. It is a significant for infants, children, and teenagers growth and development. This continue process through like a preschool, school, adolescence, adulthood, and other older year persons. Okay, so there is a potential evidence of dose response relationship. The greater the volume of exercise and or physical activity undertaken, Okay class, so this is the all kind of related to exercise benefit, how they benefit. Okay, so now we come to our point. So first now I'm telling you the about infancy. So basically during this stage of your growth and development, also the physical activity or exercise should be encouraged, and also gross motor activities or exercise should be promoted in infancy stage. Okay, infants should be included in some exercise such as moving arm, legs, and reaching to various objects. So infants should be provide objects just like the toys, games, and that encourage them to move and do things for themeless. They should be provided with safe environment for performing these activities or exercise. Okay class, so basically in this stage the exercise for 1 to 2 years, basically developing the head control, sitting capacity, and crawling. Okay, and also gross motor activities should be promoted. Exercise for moving arm, legs, reaching to object. These kind of activities will do. And also the last thing, exercise like throwing, catching, and kicking ball. Okay, so these types of exercise will be conducting in infancy stage to develop the and physical and mental capacities. Okay class, second stage is called early childhood. Age category is 3 to 7 years. Okay, so during this stage of growth and development, so such as exercise of or physical activity should be encouraged with help in developing competitions in movement skills. Okay, so just like throwing, jumping, catching, or kicking the ball. They also should be laid down on the participation and not on a competitions. Okay, so during this stage activities related to fine motor skills and connectivity ability should be impressive. Structure as well as understand and unstructured physical activity should also be performed daily for at least 60 minutes by children during this stage of growth and development. Okay, so basically in this age stage children will be learning about the walking, running, jumping, catching, and also the kicking ball, and so they learning about participating in the event and also the participating in any kind of sports or physical activity, just participating, not for competition. Okay, so in this category the competition will not allow. Basically the allowance means in this competition stage is participation in activities. Okay, so the exercise for this types this stage development exercise develop uh, competes in movement skill just like running, walking, jumping, kicking the ball, this kind of skill. And second, emphasizing on participation, not on competition. Activate related to fine motor skills. Minimum of one regular time period exercise doing in per day. Uh, Respective and enjoyable method of physical activities, clean and safe environment. So this is the all exercise for the this stage, early childhood. Okay, class. So the third stage of mm, exercise development and growth is late childhood, also called a later childhood. Its age category is 8 to 12 years. Okay, so basically during this stage of growth and development, children should be included in activities such as strength, throwing, jumping, catching, running. Okay, so these kind of activities they are doing in this age stage, so that they can acquire our body control, strength, and coordination abilities. Okay, and also the activities related to endurance should be avoided. Okay, so activity related endurance should be avoided, and stress should be also be laid down on organized or team games which aim to develop our social consequences in them. So during this stage, children should be introduced to competitive sports and taught or teach the basic rules of sports competition. Just example for enjoying the game, fair play, simple strategies and tactics, and also they can be introduced to the concept of sports training and the exercise that build endurance and aerobic exercise like running, swimming, and cycling. Okay, so this kind of activity will do in late childhood stage. Okay, class. There is a number fourth stage of growth and development is adolescence. So basically, you know what is the adolescence? So adolescence is the between childhood and adulthood. The between childhood and adulthood time period is called adolescence. Okay, so the age category is adolescence 30 to 90 years. So basically during this stage of adolescence, so in this stage we can do moderate to vigorous intensity exercise or physical activities is recommended for at least 60 minutes and up to several hours every day. Okay, they should also include in muscle strengthening exercise at least 3 days per week, then bone strengthening exercise. Okay, adolescents or teenagers should reduce sedentary behavior, physical activity or exercise such as running, just like gymnastics, push-up, jumping rope, playing hockey, basketball, swimming, tennis, and resistant exercise just like weight training should be included. Okay, so in adolescence, these types of activity will be do for growth and development. Okay, class. Okay, so last stage of growth and development is adulthood. Okay, so eight categories are above 90 years. Okay, so basically in this stage category adults should try to active always. They should to be risk walking, biking, riding, dancing, and swimming with moderate intensity. And also they included in running, aerobic exercise, weight training, push-ups, sit-ups for muscles strengthening. And they should minimize the amount time spent being sedentary. As a matter of fact, adults require such exercise or activities that help to increase their muscles bone strength, so they should perform resistance exercise at least 2 days per week on to tone their muscles and bone. So this exercise basically increase your skeletal muscle strength, power, endurance, and body mass. On bone strengthening exercise activity produce impact or tension force on the bones that promotes bones growth and strength. Okay, so in adulthood stage this kind of exercise will be do. Okay, class.